Trading crypto always comes with risks. That's just the reality. Sticking with platforms that are legally approved is one way for a bit more peace of mind. In Canada, crypto exchanges generally need to comply with securities laws and register with provincial regulators, often under the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization. Out of all the platforms that have gone through this process, 5 stand out as some of the more widely used by Canadian traders, so let's break them down. First up is Bitbuy. It's one of Canada's OG platforms, launching back in 2016. It is registered as a regulated marketplace and investment dealer with nearly 1 million users. In May 2025, WonderFi, Bitbuy's parent company, entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by Robinhood. That announcement marked Robinhood's move into the Canadian market. Traders can access over 60 cryptocurrencies, and to date, more than 7 billion worth of crypto has been traded on the platform. Funding is straightforward with Interac e-Transfer or bank wire, and once you're in, you can choose between Express Trade, a one-click beginner-friendly option, or Pro Trade, with order books and limit orders for more control. On top of that, Bitbuy offers staking, OTC services, and even solutions tailored to businesses. Plus, you can trade on the go with their mobile app. Now, for the fees, Express Trade has spreads built into the price, usually between 0.5% and 1.85%. Pro Trade charges a 0.5% maker-taker fee, while OTC spreads depend on market liquidity. Deposits are free, but withdrawals, whether in cash or crypto, come with varying fees. And if you're converting Canadian dollars to US dollars, expect a little extra spread added in. For staking, Bitbuy takes up to 30% of rewards. On the transparency side, Bitbuy has been releasing an annual proof of reserves and platform due diligence report for 5 years in a row. The latest report is from 2023, so slightly dated, but still an important step towards building trust. And for anyone inclined to spread the word, Bitbuy's affiliate program pays up to $200 per new user, with payouts based on the number of referrals each month. Next up is Shakepay, which is registered in every Canadian province and territory and is also a member of CIRO. In May 2025, Shakepay joined Payments Canada, becoming one of the first crypto-focused fintechs to participate in shaping the country's payments infrastructure. With more than 1 million Canadians signed up, it's one of the largest platforms in the country. Shakepay is available on desktop, iOS, and Android. Now, funding is available through Interac e-Transfer or wire transfer, but the coin lineup is deliberately narrow. Shakepay supports only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and USDC deposits are accepted, but are automatically converted into US dollars, meaning users cannot hold or trade USDC directly. There are no fixed trading fees or monthly charges. Instead, Shakepay makes money on spreads, which typically range from 0.5 to 2%. And they've also added some fun extras. The Shaking Sats feature rewards users with free Bitcoin just for shaking their phone daily. And then there's also the Shakepay card, which is a free prepaid Visa that lets you earn Bitcoin rewards every time you spend. And then the referral program is also straightforward. $20 each when your friend buys at least $100 in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, then we have Wealthsimple. Now, by contrast, it is best understood as part of a much bigger picture. Millions of Canadians already use it for stocks, ETF savings, and even tax filing. Its crypto offering, Wealthsimple Crypto, sits inside that larger ecosystem. Most of the crypto is held offline in cold storage by regulated custodians, each with over $75 million in insurance. One of those is Tetra Trust, a Canadian digital asset custodian that Wealthsimple just partnered with. The remaining assets in hot wallets are protected by CoinGecko. Now, Wealthsimple Crypto supports over 100 assets, with new coins being added over time. You can buy, sell, stake, swap, and even set up recurring purchases. Now, fees depend on your account size. Core clients pay about 2%, premium clients pay 1%, and generation clients pay 0.5%. These tiers are also tied to perks like dedicated advisors and lifestyle benefits such as Uber and Strava credits. Staking yields vary between 6 to 13.5% depending on the token and network. The referral program gives $25 each for you and a friend when they fund their account. Okay, then let's go to the next one, which is Newton, which positions itself somewhere between Shakepay's simplicity and Wealthsimple's breadth. It is registered with Canadian regulators and stores most of their assets in cold storage with Coinbase. The platform supports over 70 tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin, making it a middle ground for anyone who doesn't want just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also doesn't need hundreds of options either. Newton offers standard trading, staking, and OTC for trades above $30,000. Like others, Newton advertises a no-fee model, but spreads typically run between 1 and 1.6%. Account creation follows the usual KYC process, and funding is available through Interac, wire transfer, bank transfer, or crypto deposits. Then, like the others, there's also a referral program that gives $25 for both you and your friend once they start trading. Finally, we have Coinsquare. Founded in 2014, it is one of Canada's oldest crypto exchanges, now operating under WonderFi. Coinsquare is registered as an investment dealer with CIRO. For security, most digital assets are stored offline with custodians like Coinbase, while cash balances are protected by the Canadian Investor Protection Fund. When it comes to transparency, Coinsquare has claimed to hold reserves above client balances at around 110%, but that was back in 2019, and there doesn't seem to be any new updates on this. The platform is available on desktop and mobile with access to over 60 cryptocurrencies and more than 3,000 trading pairs. You can choose between Coinsquare Trade for simple buying, Coinsquare Pro for more tools, Coinsquare Staking for yield, or Coinsquare Wealth for larger investors. Fee-wise, CAD deposits are free through Interac or Wire. Withdrawals are free with Interac or 1.5% for bank or wire. Trading on Coinsquare Trade builds fees into the spread, while Pro charges a flat 0.5% maker and taker fees. Staking has a service fee between 25 and 30% depending on the token, and crypto deposits are free, while withdrawal fees depend on the network, though coins like XRP, Litecoin, and Cardano can often be withdrawn at no cost. So that's your full look at Canada's licensed crypto exchanges. Which of these platforms do you think fits your style? Let us know in the comments below. And also, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto insights, and I'll see you next time. Bye.